Hey, it's Ashley. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a plan with me video for week 37. This is September 11th through September 17th of 2023, and I'm going to be putting it together in my Jibun Techo B6 Slim Biz Mini Diary. If you have any questions about this specific planner, I do have an overview video linked in the description box, or you can leave a comment. I would love to chat with you about it. I just totally am loving the switch to this planner. So each of my weekly layouts kind of start all the same, with my days of the week up there at the top, followed by the dates underneath, and then some time blocking. I use Cocoa Daisy kits. These are the planner add-on kit and the Daisy Weeks calendar sticker kit for all of my setups, and every now and then I add a couple of additional items, but today's video is just Cocoa Daisy, and this is the daily journal collection. It's a lot of greens and blues, a little bit of oranges in there, very mixed media style. So my days of the week are set. I'm adding in those color block dates. This sticker kit is actually meant to fit a Hobonichi Weeks sized planner. You can pull the full strip of dates right off and then lay them across the weeks page. Obviously, a B6, even in the slim size, is a little bit too wide, so I just trim the numbers apart and put them up there at the top. I really just love these calendar stickers, so I have no problem trimming them so that they can go where they need to go. I even used these weeks stickers in my Get to Workbook, which was a huge planner if you're not familiar. So like I said, days and dates, and then we're going to start time blocking. I don't plan my days out hourly, but I do like to mark specific times for our days each week. I did mess up there and start to time block my weekend now that we're in a true weekend for my husband's job, but that's okay. I'm just going to fix the rest here. So far, I'm only marking the hours that my kiddos are at school. Those are also the same hours that I either work at my in-person job or work here at home for various projects. Like I said, I don't hourly plan my day hourly, but I do like to keep an eye on which hours I do have for getting my work done. So that's just kind of a little brief overview of my time blocking. I'm adding in our paydays, a reminder to water plants coming up, and setting up my sidebar there. I split this sidebar into 3 different sections. The top section is a general to-do list, items that need to get done at some point. Then the next section will be a kind of higher priority things that absolutely need to get done but are still not day specific. Sometimes I add in ordering things that are not in our usual shopping, or paperwork that needs to get filed or something like that. And then the bottom section is where I write down our meals. I do like to separate this bottom over here, and I just use, this is a thin washi that came in the add-on kit, and I like the separation of kind of the work hours and then extra information. I tend to use that bottom section for what we're going to eat each night for dinner, keeping track of various packages we're expecting in the mail. Our post office is going through some changes. We don't get general delivery at our home. Everyone in our community has a P.O. box, so packages are getting interesting right now. So sometimes I keep a running tab of what packages we need to keep an eye out for. Right now I'm going to add this beautiful rub-on from the add-on kit. Thursday is actually my birthday, and I specifically planned out my week so that I don't have a ton to do on Thursday or Friday, and I'm going to fill in that extra space with this little bouquet of mixed media sketchy flowers, and making sure that it's burnished properly so that it doesn't peel up too much. And I really, really, really love it. So, and I tried to pick labels and stuff to make sure that it would match. There's my little birthday sticker. I love that when Cocoa Daisy does their monthly kits, they do them all out of the same collection. That way all of the different items can be mixed and matched each week or month or setup, or however you choose to do your planning. I recognize that my weekly planning or plan with me videos are a little different than some others. I like to set up my week all at once and list out all the things that I need to get done, and then I cross it off as I go. I don't really do daily check-ins like a lot of people do. Now, knowing that it was my birthday week and coming off of a busy week last week, I built in some downtime, and I forgot that I purposely planned my weeks so that they would be a little more mellow. So I keep flipping back and forth because I feel like I'm forgetting things, even though I am not. My daughter does have a couple things coming up in the next couple of days, so that's what those two little notes are. I'm going to start adding in some tasks for projects that I am working on. Hopefully you will be seeing some December daily videos. I have 3 more sets of pages to finish, and then I am done and ready for 2023. If you are here because you like following my December daily, thank you for being patient. Those videos should be coming soon in the next couple of days. And yeah, so keep an eye out for those. I flipped really quickly to my monthly to see if there was anything I was forgetting this particular week. And I am going to update this monthly again for those 2 things coming up for my daughter on the 12th and the 13th. Yeah, lots of flipping back and forth because I forgot to leave a note for myself that because I had a busy week the week prior, I didn't really have anything going on. I'm going to stamp my sidebar there. That one says meal plan. We're going to put don't forget in the black label. I also planned to do some laundry and cleaning on Sunday. Pretty soon I'm going to add in a couple don't forget items and start migrating a couple of my unfinished to-dos from the week before. I need to update my out of out of the house job hours in my different little notebook where I keep track of those days. You saw there, I keep my repositionable flags that I'm not using in the very back of my planner. And then last but not least, I do add my reminder to update Trello, which is my workflow program that I use. And what else am I putting down here? Oh, it's a couple social media posts that I need to remember to do for a Facebook group that I run, and post ideas that I want for my own social media. It's a very low key week for me. And lastly, I'm going to pull up my iPad and start writing out the meals that I have planned for this week. We live pretty rurally, and I like to shop for at least a week of dinners at a time. Sometimes I can get more than a week. It just depends on what meat and produce looks like when we get to the store. So I keep that running list down there in the left corner. That way I know what I have the ingredients for. And that is about it for the basic setup for week 37. I will throw a still image at the end of this. You can see what the whole spread looks like with all the pin. Thanks for spending your time with me. Please hit like and or subscribe to see more of my videos, and leave any comments with questions you might have, and I will see you next time. Thanks. Bye.